Jason here at JMac360. Today I bought a 2025 Indian Super Chief, and I'm going to be doing my first install video, so hopefully you like it. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get rid of the stock exhaust. Is way too big, and I like the Two Brothers. So I got a Two Brothers 2-in-1 shorty with a turnout on it. Two Brothers there. Don't know if I got a big enough table, but let's check it out. Oh, look at that, that's nice. So you got the padding in there, nice dense foam, and looks like that just comes off of there. Wow, it's a big box. Actual exhaust. I went with the turnout. I like the black on black there. That looks good. They're badging all black. And 4-inch opening, 2-in-1. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. What I found looking at the bolts and stuff is that you're gonna need a 10mm for rear exhaust bolts right there. So that's gonna be 10mm. And then you're going to need a, looks like a 6 for the rear pegs, and a 8 Allens for the front pegs. And it looks like all the head bolts are 13mm, so you're gonna need 13mm, and a little universal here, little wobbly thing, and probably an extension. And that should get this exhaust off and a new one on. So I said the first thing we need to do is disconnect the O2 sensor here on the rear cylinder, and the O2 sensor there on the front cylinder. You just get it started, and then you should be able to back it out by hand there. Okay, so let's see here. To unplug the rear O2 sensor, we had to take this side cover off here, and then move this out of the way so we can get to the plug here and then unplug it from there. Otherwise it was twisting up around too much and I didn't want to cause any damage to the wires. So got that unplugged, and now I'm looking at this one. This one just comes unplugged right there, so we'll just unplug it. Now we're on to the flange bolts. Alright, let's work it off. All right, got the exhaust off. Ugh, this thing's heavy. Look at this thing. Jeez. Ugh. Okay, so we had to remove the exhaust bracket too with these three 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter sockets. They came right off, super easy. So we're losing this weight and the weight of the exhaust with this new exhaust. Oh, I'm super excited. Anyways, all right, it was kind of a pain in the butt to get these flange nuts on there, so take your time. It did say to, if you needed help, get some help, but I don't have anybody here, so I kind of had to do it. Getting these springs on were pretty easy with the tool they give you, but did damage it a little bit, stretched them on there. Everything seems good and tight. I'm gonna, got everything hooked up. I'm gonna put my pegs back on, put the cover back on, and then I'm gonna just go through and tighten up the flange nuts as to torque here too. So make sure those are nice and torqued up, but everything looks sealed on here. So yeah, anyways, take your time doing it. And I will give you a sound video and how it looks after. Thanks for watching. All right, I have it all buttoned up and we'll go ahead and start it.